Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. I am very excited for today's tutorial. I have a ton of new makeup that I've kind of been wanting to play with, and I thought that I would just play with it on camera. As you guys could see, there's a lot. There's a lot of new products and things that I've been wanting to try and just kind of get my hands on. So this is going to be really fun to just test out all this new product. This is sun-kissed, glowy summer vibes makeup. The skin for this makeup turned out so beautiful. So I can't wait for you guys to see what I used. And honestly, anybody can do this look because it's so easy. I was gonna use lashes, but I didn't. I decided not to, even though I really wanted to. I said no lashes this time. And I hope you guys like this. Make sure you let me know in the comments what you guys think of this look. Let's get into it. Let's get started. Let's start with a new primer. This is from Dermalogica. It is their Skin Perfect Primer. This has SPF 30 in it, which is awesome. So I am going to the mall. So the weather is beautiful. I'm gonna go to the mall. I need to pick up a couple of things because I'm going on a little trip, you guys. I'll tell you where in just a sec. Okay, so this is the Skin Perfecting Primer. SPF 30. This is part of their H Smart collection. So basically this says helps smooth fine lines, brighten and prime for flawless skin and prep skin for makeup. Oh, it has a little tint to it. It's interesting that it kind of has like a pink hue to it, and it also has a pretty strong scent, to be honest. It's very silicone-y. I think the color is a bit off because it has SPF in it. That's probably why the color is a little bit off. I don't know. I don't know if I love this, but let's see how foundation goes on over it. I am using a new foundation. This one is from Makeup Forever. It is their brand new water tone foundation. So it's a skin perfecting tint. So I'm guessing this is going to be pretty sheer. You see how watery that is? Like, it's not creamy. It's just, there's literally like bubbles in it because it just feels almost like blends in like water. Right off the bat, I'll tell you, I love this texture. You guys see how liquidy that is? This is super nice for summer. This is like almost like a tinted moisturizer, but I wouldn't even say that because it's not creamy. This will generally look like you have nothing on your skin. You guys, that was so funny. I honestly, I looked down and I realized that the microphone was not on the table and it was nowhere near me, and that I've been recording with no sound this whole time. But thank God I noticed, and before the video was over. Sorry about that little hiccup. What I was saying before the audio went out is that this is not going to give you any coverage. This is really just kind of evening out your skin tone so your skin has a beautiful natural glow, but no coverage. Just so we're clear. If you want coverage, you're going to have to go with different foundation. But for someone who doesn't love wearing foundation for summertime, if you're going to the beach, but you still want to look a little bit, you know, like you put something on, this is your go-to. So I ended up mixing shade 405, Y405, which was too dark, too yellow, with shade 315. I'm not sure what my exact shade is. I actually didn't use the brush or the sponge because I felt like just applying it with my fingers just felt like what I needed to do with it. So I'll save these for next time to try out and let you guys know my feedback. It comes in 16 different shades, just so you guys know. And I believe the foundation is $37 and it's available at Sephora. Okay, let's move on. For concealer, I'm using the Hailey's Beauty Rewind concealer. This isn't new. You guys have seen me use this before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. As I said, I'm going to the mall, you guys, because I'm going on a little vacay at the end of this month, and I want to get a couple of things for the trip, like new bathing suits, bikinis, wraps. I'm going to Greece. and it's going to be beautiful and sunny. There's just been so much going on with, travel rules changing because of COVID. So I just hope everything goes okay. If you're from Greece, let me know in the comments below. I know that you guys have been having fires, so I'm sending all my prayers to you guys. I feel like the whole world is on fire. There's fires everywhere. Hopefully everything goes okay and the trip will happen. I'm going with a couple of my friends and I can't wait to get out of LA, to be honest. I actually went to New York last week and it was amazing and it was so nice. But at the end of the trip, they announced that they're putting restrictions to all the restaurants and all the gyms and pretty much anywhere indoors, that if you want to go inside, you have to show your vaccination card. Kind of just changes the vibe, It for sure didn't feel like the way New York usually feels. You know what I mean? It didn't have that special, I don't know, if you're from New York, leave it in the comments if you get what I mean. Like, there's just something about New York. It's like you go out, you don't know where the night's gonna take you, anything can happen. It's just full of surprises and the city just comes to life. I definitely didn't feel that this time. I love this concealer, you guys. I don't know if you guys saw how beautiful that went on, but this concealer is gorgeous. So the shade that I use that was like absolutely perfect is medium neutral, Hailey's Beauty Rewind. They did a complete revamping of their packaging, their outer packaging and their actual container packaging. Their new packaging just looks really chic and sophisticated. So I really love it. I don't know if you've noticed, but I definitely am not doing like full glam makeup looks like I used to because it's just not the vibe right now. But I love perfecting the skin, and I think the skin looks gorgeous because it's very youthful. It doesn't look dull. It doesn't look heavy. It looks really light and natural, and I absolutely love that vibe. Continuing with that vibe, I have a new product from Persona Cosmetics. This is their multi-use cream bronzing stick for comfortable everyday sun-kissed skin. Love that. So the first shade is, I have two shades. I have Sahara, which is a little bit darker, and then I have Dune. Let's open them up. Okay, so it says that they're for eyes, for cheeks, or for lips. That's cool. It looks like that. I feel like that's definitely my color. So that is Dune, but let's just look at Sahara quickly. Yeah, Sahara is on the darker side. This is gonna probably be too dark. I'm gonna use this kind of as a contour stick to start. We'll go from there. I love the shape of it. It's not too big that it's hard to kind of work with. And then to blend, I'm gonna use my favorite brush ever for blending out products like this. It is the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush number 7. I don't know what it is about this brush, but it just buffs cream products out really beautifully. Oh, this is gorgeous. That was such an overreaction. This is really, really pretty. Dune is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade for light to medium. And then if you're darker, I would definitely go for Sahara. Okay, that's Dune. This is Sahara, the darker shade. You guys see that? So I'm gonna just blend that out so it doesn't look crazy. I'm obsessed. I don't want to put anything else on my skin. I'm gonna do a little bit along my jawline, bring it down. The texture, the color, and the applicator are all perfect. So amazing job, Persona. You guys always kill it. Honestly, ever since this brand came out, you guys, I don't think there's any product of theirs that I haven't liked. And they just keep adding new products and they're just getting better and better. So this is a major winner. Okay, I'm going to set my skin a little bit because I don't want to look super greasy, but I'm only gonna do like right in these areas. I'm using the Hailey's Retouch Powder. Again, you guys have seen me use this. This is actually one of my favorite setting powders. It's the Soft Focus Setting Powder, and it just looks so nice on the skin. And I'm gonna use my Tati Beauty Blendiful, I think this was called. I like using puffs to press the powder in. So what I do is I get it on my puff, just a little bit, kind of rub it out a little bit onto my hands, and then just really press it. I don't want to take away too much from the overall glow of the skin. I just really wanted to just matte that out a little bit. As the day goes on and my makeup wears on, like I'm going to get some of that natural oils coming through. I just like to press it in. I don't really go under my eyes that much because I tend to get creasing in that area if I put powder there. So I'm trying to stay away from that. And then the only other spot really is just kind of the center of my forehead. Like I didn't touch anywhere here. So you can see that looks really pretty. There's a little bit of a glow here on my nose. Do we love this? I love this. Skin, amazing. I have a new brow product. This one is from Huda Beauty, the Balm Brows. That's a great name. Micro Shade Brow Pencil. Okay, let's open this up. So I have 3 different shades, brown, black, and black brown. So I'm gonna go for brown. So since I have these 2 extra shades, I'm gonna do a little giveaway, you guys. I think this is a great way for me to share products with you guys, especially product that I'm like talking about and using on the spot. I can't give them away on YouTube because it's very hard to contact people on YouTube. So this will be on my Instagram. So this is what we're gonna do, you guys. I'm gonna put up a picture right here, and this picture is going to be on my Instagram. So go to my Instagram at Eman. If you're not following me, make sure you do. You're gonna like this picture. And then in the comments, just tell me if you're shade black or if you're shade black brown. I'm gonna pick 2 winners, and that's it. That's all, you guys, super easy. We got a spoolie on one end. We love this. A pencil on the other end. The tip is super thin. You could for sure kind of get that hair-like effect where you're just drawing on little hairs. I don't usually put too much product in the front of my brows because I feel like that just looks a little bit too harsh on me. I really love how natural this looks, you guys. The texture is beautiful. It comes in 8 different shades, and it says that it has castor oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. I did feel like the texture was really nice. So that is the Huda Beauty brow pencil. Make sure you guys go enter the giveaway. Don't forget. And good luck, everybody. I'll announce the winner in my next video. All right, moving on to the eyes, you guys. I'm gonna be using this palette from Buxom. It is their Tiki Bar palette. It has blush, highlighter, a few different shadows. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy for the eyes. Let's just see what I come up with. I'm gonna start with this medium shade. I'm sure that I'm gonna start doing glam looks again, but right now, that's just not my vibe. I know that a lot of people are still working from home, so you're not even wearing makeup probably to go to work. Let me know in the comments, are you guys still working from home? Are you back in the office? What is going on with everybody? I want to know. I think I'm gonna take this shade right here, this kind of shimmery peachy shade. Just plop that on in the center. I'm just gonna take some of that neutral shade again and sweep it on the lower lash line, just to give a little bit of shadow there. I actually really love this brush. This is the Laura Mercier Eye Contour Brush. It's just a really good shape because it's flat, but it's fluffy. You could do a lot with it. I have a new mascara to show you guys. So this mascara is very interesting. It's from Cover FX. The reason it's interesting is because it has 2 sides to it. So it has this kind of fluffy side and then the spiky side. Let's open it up and take a look. Okay, Cover FX Power Flex Volumizing Lengthening Mascara. And this is a clean mascara. It's vegan. And if you can get any product that's clean and performs very well, I'm all for it. Okay, so do you guys see how one side has the brush, the other side has kind of like the plastic spikies? It has this curve to it. Plastic side deposits more product. So I'm using that side first. And then I'm going in with the brush side and I'm brushing that product through. Wow. Look at that. I like it that the lashes still look really fluffy, but they're very black. Like it's a lot of density. You're getting volume, you're getting length, and it just like totally opens up your eyes. So before and after, what do you guys think? I feel like mascara is one of those things you really got to wear it to like see how it lasts throughout the day, if it's gonna like crease or whatever, but first impressions, love it. Okay, let's do a little bit of cheek and highlighter. I have new blushes from Milani. These are so pretty. I actually love Milani blushes. So I have number 110 Cherry on Top, 210 Peach on Me. I feel like Peach on Me is the right color. That's kind of the vibe we're going for today. That is pretty, you guys. Okay, that actually is quite pigmented, but it's really nice on the skin. So they have like tiny, tiny little hint of shimmer to them. And they are really easy to blend, not like regular blushes that are a little bit harder to blend because they're very powdery. These have like, they're more sheer. My favorite makeup artist on YouTube, Painted by Spencer, you guys have seen me talk about him a million times, swears by this highlighter from Ofra. So I got one. I had to try it. It is the Rodeo Drive highlighter, and it is really pretty. It's that perfect champagne color, so I get why he probably likes it so much. Ooh. This is so nice because it's not too chunky. It's a very like soft powder, so the glow is really natural looking. Well, as natural as like a bright highlight could be. You guys know what I mean. I absolutely love this. Another favorite for today's video. These lip products from Buxom. You guys know I am the biggest Buxom fan. All of their lip products are amazing. This is the full-on plumping lip cream. There's this color that I think could be really pretty for this look. This is Banana Mama. They're very sheer, you guys, so they don't feel like heavy gloss. They're very, very light. I love it. That is the final look, you guys. I wish you can see how flawless my skin looks. I honestly don't think I've seen my skin look this pretty with makeup on in so long. So a combination of everything, I guess. The foundation, the blush, the primer, it all just worked for this makeup. And I know it's a really natural, easy look, but you know what? This is the vibe. I hope you guys love it. Don't forget to go to my Instagram so you can enter for your chance to win Huda Beauty gorgeous brow products. This was really fun. I think I'm gonna do this vibe again, just talking. I have so much new makeup that's PR that's been sent to me that I just like haven't had a chance to play with, and it was really fun playing with it on camera with you guys to explore. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave me a comment, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, Eman Makeup, and hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I will see you guys. I have a new vlog coming out, and I also have a new 6 beauty update coming out. So finally back in the groove, lots more content. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.